Hello everyone, welcome to flowindata channel, and today we are going to continue the tuple. Okay, so today we are going to access data from tuple. So the items in the tuple are accessed using their index number like in list. Okay, and to access an item in the tuple, we write the name of the tuple followed by the index of the item we want to access, and that will be inside the square brackets just like list. Okay, so now here we have this tuple 1 2 4 5 6 8 is our items. Now I'm going to access this 4. Okay, so for that just I'm going to write print tuple 1 and then you need to put index inside of the square bracket. So since 4 is in index 1, so I'm going to write 1. Okay, so let's run and see the output. It's 4. Okay, so we got this value, this item, with the help of the index of the 4. Okay, so similarly you can access any data, any item from tuple. Now we can also access multiple subsequent items in a tuple the same way we do in list, and to do so, we need to use the starting index followed by a colon followed by the index of the item up to which we want to access the items. Okay, thus if you want to access the values 4, 5 and 6, so now we have to write here it starts from 4, that means from 1, index 1, and then colon, and it goes up to 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's write 4. Okay, so now run. Now you get the values here 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so start from 1, 2, 3. It doesn't exclude the fourth index. Okay, it goes up to 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 4. In order to get all the tuple items, just write the tuple 1. Now let's see. So you can see here you get whole items of tuple, whole tuple itself, isn't it? So similarly, to access items begins from index 0, we can just write colon and then the last item like this. Okay, last index. Sorry, I have clean everything. Just put colon and write 4, the index 4. Okay, so you get the result here. If you don't put anything at the beginning, it starts from index 0. So you got 2, 4, 5, 6 up to here. Okay, the fourth is excluded. Now if you don't put anything here and if you just put the front one, okay, like I'm going to start 2, so it starts from index 2, that is from 5 to the end. Okay, so let's debug it. So you see here 5, 6, 8 starts from 5, index 2, and then it goes till the end because we didn't specify the number here. Okay, so this is how you access the values items from tuple. Okay, thank you for being with us. We will continue with the tuple in our next video. See you in the next video.